going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and we got a taco casserole today, and we're gonna be led by
Crystal Sykes.
Crystal Sykes, my lovely wife. All right. What we got?
Start with the oven because it wants to know that it wants you to know that we turned it on. So the oven is on 350 degrees, and it's just got up to temp.
Yes. Hence the beeping.
So today we're making the taco casserole. I'll show you what we have here. We have 2 pounds of ground beef. Try to choose a leaner ground beef simply because you want the casserole to kind of stick together and not be super greasy and all over the place. 4 eggs. There is 2 cups of cheese. I did half cheddar and half mozzarella. You can get like the pre-mixed Mexican cheese, but we like to grate our own cheese. There's a half an onion here, 1 whole bell pepper. We decided to do a full jalapeno, it's a pretty large jalapeno, and then 1 tablespoon of garlic.
Brown the ground beef?
Yes, we are gonna brown the ground beef. We also have cayenne pepper, paprika, chili powder, cumin, and then some spray for the casserole dish. So let's go ahead and turn that puppy on.
Boom shakalaka.
So now that the ground beef has mostly cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add some of these seasonings to it. So I'll do the cayenne pepper first.
Nice.
Sometimes the heat gets to it. Oops. Alrighty. And some paprika. Chili powder.
I sneeze again.
Yeah. And some cumin. And I did already spray this this pan that we're going to use here in just a few minutes. So next I'm just going to go ahead and add the full pepper. The half of the onion, or the 1/2 onion.
1/2 onion.
The garlic. Make sure that's mixed in well. We don't want a big chunk of garlic. And the jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
Alright, so I'm just going to use one of these bowls, and please have a fork from you. I'm going to put half of the cheese in the bowl with the 4 eggs. Actually, I don't need it. Take the eggs out. So the eggs are not going to be tasted in the recipe, really. Really, it's just to bind everything together. So we're wanting to mix it pretty well with the cheese. But you shouldn't be able to taste the egg, or it shouldn't be super eggy.
But this casserole's gonna be excellent.
So I'm just going to add about half of the cheese. Whatever you really want on top of the casserole is what you're going to leave left in the bowl. So if you want more cheese on the top, then just leave more or shred some extra. That looks pretty good.
Looking pretty good over here.
Okay. So at any point, you can go ahead and add that to the casserole dish. You want me to scoop it out while you do that? Hold it up, I mean.
I'm strong, baby.
All right. always have to have him help me when I do it.
You just set it in there, that way it's not holding up everything.
That's one way to do it.
And we'll check out that forearm strength right there. Let me tell you. Whoo!
Alright. So now we're going to just pour this egg and cheese mixture over. And you really want it to mix into all of it pretty well. So if you want to try to get that.
So I'm mixing that in?
Mm-hmm. You don't want to put it into the pan because then it'll just cook the egg. So just want to get it all mixed in there. Mostly making sure that there's cheese in all the little cracks and crevices. That'll really help hold everything together.
Little nooks and crannies.
Should be pretty good. And we did choose a leaner meat. We're using one pack that is 85-15 and one that is 90-10. And you can strain it. A lot of people, when they make casseroles or some sort of dish, they want to strain it, but we like to keep in all the fat that we can because it's already
count those macros.
Because it's already a leaner meat. So we'd like to just keep that. And then we're just gonna put this cheese right there on the top.
What are we preheating to? 350?
Yep. 350. Was it taking too long?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
All right, so now it is all set and ready to be put in the oven. Here I go. Ooh, smells good.
Boom, chakalaka.
All right.
Look at that, y'all. That looks hot.
Look at that.
Looks
It
tasty
does
though.
look really hot. Casseroles do best when you let them sit after they come out of the oven.
But when
we're
you're
gonna
hungry,
go right on in as we usually do. Why did you do such a huge other reel? And so this is gonna plop out a little less.
we probably should have done a picture while it was in the casserole dish still.
Well, we didn't do that now, did we? It's okay. We can just keep going. Anywho, it's gonna probably plop out a little bit more than it should, because generally speaking, you should wait a little bit before you.
Look at that plop action.
Wow, that actually doesn't look too bad. I would suggest waiting just a little bit to serve it to anyone. But what are you doing? Robert lost his marbles.
Just want to open up the. Look at that. Whoo! Plopped out.
That does look pretty good.
All right.
We should probably take a picture and then take it and then eat it.
Let's just eat it, and then we'll just put another one for a picture, and then I'll eat all of this after we're done recording.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. Moment of truth. Taco casserole.
Hot.
Tastes like a taco, minus the shell. What do you think? Is it that hot?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I think if you had some salsa you can put on here, are you gonna make it?
Here it goes.
All right.
Yeah. Salsa and sour cream.
Yeah, salsa and sour cream.
Yeah, that would be pretty delicious. Yeah, it is really good. I don't think I would change anything, honestly.
No, just whatever toppings you want, like salsa, sour cream, maybe some, ooh, hold that thought. Cholula. My all-time favorite. Let's try some of this on there.
What's great about this is that it's really easy to make a whole bunch and just eat it throughout the week.
Meal prep miracle right here.
Or just make it for your family without having to have the mess of tacos, which I really like. Try it with some Cholula on it.
Yeah, this is my jam, y'all. We're just eating and not talking, as you can tell. So, if you want to find out the recipe, the video, the macros, the step-by-step instructions, check out our website, ketosavage.com, and follow us along. Hit the bell for notifications, subscribe on YouTube, and all those other good things that they tell you to do at the end of the video. Yeah, thumbs up while I eat this taco casserole.
All right, we'll see you guys later.